huge deal. We got the building.
So they tore down like the center wall and kind of left it like that.
There's cobwebs everywhere. There's some water stain marks because at one time the roof leaked, cracked and broken and all nasty in here. So
the cable mount like pulled off the base of the door.
Old sink, that's all going. We got to get up there and do something with the insulation, but it's ours.
All right, guys.
This is the very first time opening the door with it being mine.
Oh, buddy.
All right, it's 5/15. It's May 15th. Huge deal. We got the building. Literally, it just came from signing the lease. I just came straight here. Look at all these keys we got. So I got to figure out what the keys do here. The landlord still has to come and clean the place out, but it's ours. It is Saturday. What's the date? 16th? 5/16, Saturday. This is the day after we sign the lease. So everyone usually gets their shops, you know, and they go through the whole process with the shop. They show you the finished, polished product of some clean, prepped thing. Not us. We're showing it to you raw. We're showing it to you exactly how we got it, and we're going to take you through every step. So this is it. This is a 3,000 square foot garage. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 garages. There's one other garage down there we'll show you. So we got 4 working bays. It's super far down there. I don't know the exact dimensions of the place. We'll get that later. But so this is what it looks like from the very, very beginning. The landlord has to come down, obviously, and get all this junk out of here. I don't really know what this was used for, but, you know, it has a door, a little latch thing. It'd be kind of cool to use, but I want this bay open. So this is what we're dealing with here. We're going to tear this out. This is the biggest bay. This is about 12-foot entrance door, 12 by 10. So this will be the main one for the trucks and the lifted stuff to get into. So we got to tear that out. Walking down through here, it is heated with a oil burning furnace. Not hooked up. I don't know. We'll get to that later. Old parts washer, some old shelving. Coming down through here, this is the office. Now this office has like plywood flooring, and it wasn't braced properly, so it's like cracked and broken and all nasty in here. So we're gonna also tear up the subfloor. We already tore the fabric off of the walls yesterday. There's like foam insulation on the walls, and it was covered with the that fabric stuff. So I didn't like the look of it. I don't know what exactly we're gonna do yet with the walls and the floor, but we're gonna get it down to the concrete as of right now. Rolling down through here, old sink, that's all going. Basically everything that you see is gonna be empty. This is gonna be a clean slate, empty place. Some sheet metal stuff. More insulation on the back side of the office walls. So plans for that kind of still under development, if you wanna say that. Now this is the 5th garage door. Come through this little doorway, and it has its own little storage unit thingy here. So its own door, it's all sealed off. Full wall of shelving. I don't know exactly what this is gonna be yet. Overflow parts, storage, bikes, something, chemicals, compressors, I don't know. So we'll figure that out there. And I'm not gonna lie, the place is rugged. I was a little leery on the whole deal, but for the location it is in, it's super close. And for the price, it's an excellent, excellent price. I couldn't pass it up. I've honestly been looking for a garage for a long time, and I haven't been able to find anything. So yeah, there's the truck. So I found this garage, and honestly, in the matter of like 2 days, I filled out the application, signed the lease, bam, got the keys. So here we are. This is what we're gonna do. There is the first walkthrough. All right, so yes, I do know, yes, the place is rugged. It's pretty rugged, not gonna lie. But the price was right. The size is way bigger than I wanted, which is always good. And the location's right. It's very close to the house. It's right here. Whole family's kind of surrounding this area. So it's in the area. The price was right and the size was perfect. Now there is like a bunch of stuff that we got to work on that we will do down the road. Like the office, not really a top priority right now. The main priority is kind of just getting it prepared to move all my tools in, move all the equipment in, move the vehicles in, basically so we can get in here and start working. So basically, yeah, we're just gonna get it prepped, we're gonna get it ready, we're gonna move in, we're gonna start filming, then we'll like tackle like the major stuff. So step one obviously is gonna be paint. Like there's some water stain marks because at one time the roof leaked. There's a new metal roof on it now, so no more leakage. And it's just dirty, there's cobwebs everywhere. I hate spiders. So there's a couple things that like I gotta button up, and like I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. I'm gonna show you guys the whole deal, every step of the way. So like there was like an old wall. This was 2 garages at one time, so they tore down like the center wall and kind of left it like that. So like, you know, there's little things that I gotta button up, but nothing crazy. So like you can see like the old like water spots on the thing. It was all treated with like mold killer after it was done. So there's no actual mold. I'm definitely gonna go through and primer it all like white just to get like a base coat down. So comment below what color you think we should paint the garage. So anyways, to keep this rolling here, I'm not exactly sure how we're gonna set up the garage yet. Definitely putting a lift in somewhere. This bay here is ideal, but that garage is small. The truck doesn't fit through there. This is the main door that the truck has to come through. So I don't know if it would be that bad to, you know, have it pull through and swing through, pull down this way and hit the lift there. Landlord said we're clear to put a bigger door on there. If I stand back here at this door, I never pulled like an exact measurement, but this is awesome. This is perfect size. It's huge. So yeah, I really like to put the lift like in this general area, like post, 2 posts right here. You know, it's wide, ceilings are high. But for right now, this is where we are at. What do you guys think? I want to see what you guys are thinking on the new space, because honestly, I'm pumped. I'm freaking pumped. I'm ready to go. We got to get some projects rolling. I don't know what I'm going to do with Merle. Would you guys be interested in purchasing Merle? Would that be a thing? It's a rugged car. I mean, go back through, check out my Mercedes diesel car with the sticker bump fender, hood stack, patina paint, Bud Light tap handle as a shifter. Would anyone out there be interested in purchasing the car? Throw a number out there in the comments. I don't know if I want to keep it. I don't know if I want to sell it. Should we like LS swap it? I don't know. I'm up in the air. But all right, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and join the journey with the new shop. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to document it all, and I'm going to enjoy showing you guys what we're doing in here. But all right, that's it. I'm out. I'm going to get ready to finish getting this whole place going. So tune in for the next video. We're probably going to do a paint the whole shop video. So that'll come next, and then we're going to move in, and then we're going to get going. But all right, I've been rambling way too long. Let me know what you guys think of the shop. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.